Hey friends, from today we will start exploring AutoWire with reference to property, and for doing so I have already coded this very simple program where we have couple of properties which are injected, and as of now we are calling three methods. If we check this particular line of code, the first method we are calling in is show status, which is inside bike insurance, and then we are calling in couple of more methods. Let us first check the overview bean in order to get the understanding of it. So let's navigate to beans.xml. Here we go. So in this particular bean, this bean is based on bike insurance, and inside this bike insurance we have two properties which are dependencies. We have injected two dependencies, and these two dependencies, the name of these two dependencies are current offer and current condition. All right, and here are these two dependencies. Now these two dependency, offers and condition, are based on offer class and condition class. All right, so now how we are injecting these two dependencies? Based on this attribute. We have given this attribute ref, which means reference, and we are referring condition for the second property, this particular bean, and we are referring to offers for the first property. Here are the properties. Alright, so now let us also check this particular class whose name is bike insurance. So if we check bike insurance, then we would able to see these two dependencies in here. What are dependencies? Dependencies are nothing but independent classes. Alright, and inside this bike insurance class we also have this get current offer method and get current condition offer, and whenever we would be calling these methods, we would be returned a object of offers type or conditions type based on the method call. So I guess you guys are getting it. Moving forward, I would be also showing you offers class first. Inside this offers class we have this method, and this method is also initialized with a default value, get 10% off on next purchase, and then we have the getter and setter method for the same. Same is the case of conditions class. Here we have this property condition, and we have getter method and setter method of condition property. So now if I navigate to user.java, what we are doing? We are creating an object of bike insurance class, and then we are calling show status method. So where is the show status method? Inside bike insurance, here is the show status method. Then we are calling the current offer. How we are calling it? We are first calling status, then we are calling this get current offer method. So if we check get current method, which is inside bike insurance, then so this is the get current offer method, and this offer returns an object of offers type, and using this offers object we can definitely access any method which is inside offer class, right? So inside offer class we have this get offer method, and finally we are getting the offer. Here we go. So we are first accessing bike insurance class. By accessing bike insurance class we are calling get offer method, and by calling get offer method we are calling get offer, and by doing that we are displaying this particular message. So let me again execute this. I guess there is some kind of issue in the program. Let me check. I have checked the issue, and the issue found to be very simple. In fact, the issue was because there was no setter methods for get current offer and the condition. So this is the reason why these two properties were not able to initialized, current offer and current condition. So the issue is fixed now. The output is perfect. The output is your bike is insured, and these two lines, current offer, get 10% off on next purchase, and terms and condition, insurance must be 1 year old. This is good, but moving forward, let us check. Currently we are making use of dependency injection, and we are not making use of any auto wiring. So let us proceed further, and let us auto wire these things, and let us check whether everything works good or not. So firstly we will get rid of these two references. So let us get rid of these two real quick. Now finally these two properties are not hardwired with these two beans, and Springs doesn't know that which particular property or which particular bean in fact needs to be hardwired with these properties. Alright, and in order to auto wire we need to do some tweaks in this particular bean, and those tweaks would be discussed from next lecture.